You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this famous major battle, United States Marine Corps. If you want to learn more names from history, more names of famous battles, stay tuned, we've got more videos for you. Iwo, not Iwo, Jima, not Jima. So it's actually quite straightforward once you know from Japanese. Iwo Jima, how to pronounce the Battle of Iwo Jima. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.